It was mid-October, after the COVID-19 pandemic in Bình having the tendency to be on decrease. I was on the street to the central administrative area of Yang City, and I noticed there was a public park near the People's Committee building that I have not ever been to. So I decided to pull over there for a while. And after stopping at the park, I took a stroll with some thoughts in my mind related to the pandemic. The pandemic had taken a great number of lives, which makes us deeply saddened and seems like to warn us to take more care of our health so that we can have a strong immune system, making us not easily vulnerable to the virus. Well, I would say that I have to make some plans about gym workouts and nutritious diets. And so do you, right? And I continued to roam around on the streets of the central area, which led me to running to the locally familiar roundabout. This roundabout is popular for the locals because it leads them to Big C Yang supermarket. And I was finally at Big C supermarket to check it out from the front and from the pavement by it. Big C is a popular place for the locals where they usually go for shopping and having fun with their kids at some fast food restaurants in here on weekends. I saw many people going shopping today and they seemed to be happy back here to do their favorite regular activities. In fact, during the pandemic lockdown, the road past Big C called Highway 1K was a hot checkpoint to control people coming from into Ho Chi Minh City. The checkpoint was still inactive today, although there have been some restrictions loosening for people to travel. And after saying goodbye to Big C, I roamed around some streets to see how they are. I traveled past Yang High School, Công Si Hao Road, and Yang Bookstore. Then I made a decision to stop by Yang Market, which is one of the iconic locations in town. The market was heavily affected by the pandemic, with a considerable number of infected people who were mainly the sellers here. This was a sad story, but the market were really packed today. I didn't want to wait so long to see a chance for filming this place. I walked slowly to a part of the market and then saw many shop owners were working normally, like the good old days. This is wonderful. And I realized there was an interesting place I wanted to visit before going home. That's what the painting wall near Yang train station. The wall consists of many beautiful pictures designed by students from lower secondary schools in town. They painted in a program which aims to embellish the wall to express their love to the city. When I looked at this painting, I felt my love to my hometown as well. I thought my hometown is really back after the pandemic, and it is spread on the wall. We the local people in Yin City will definitely move on and live healthily and optimistically, like we always do after tough time. Stay strong and happy, Yang. Thank you for watching.